Branding is essential for a business of any size to be successful. If your company is just starting or you've been in the industry for a couple of years and you're wanting to grow your business, laying out a structure for your brand is the best thing that you can do. The reality is, consumers these days want to know more about the brand they are purchasing from instead of just purchasing a product that they come across first. I mean, why support a brand if you don't agree with their core values? I sure wouldn't buy anything from a company who actively promotes hating puppies, and I'm pretty sure neither would you. Communicating to your customers who you are and what you stand for is a crucial part of structuring your business branding. But this can be challenging and quite time-consuming, especially if you're trying to tackle it all on your own. Our team at Socially Infused has done the research for you and put together a basic guide on structuring your business branding. We've included what small business branding actually is and why you need it, as well as what you can do to make sure that you're successful. There's tons of useful information in there, some of which we've actually learned firsthand while structuring our own branding at Socially Infused. So I highly recommend that you check it out.